Before we begin the installation, it's worth highlighting that this walkthrough is designed to complement the official installation guide, not replace it. The installation guide on the website should always be your primary reference for prerequisites and setup requirements. What this video does is visually walk through the process so you can see how those steps look in practice. Please refer to the website to get a full set of prerequisites. As part of the prerequisites, you'll need a dedicated Microsoft team for Asset Booker. It's important that the service account is an owner of that team, not just a member. This ensures the solution has the correct permissions to install, configure, and operate properly once it's live. If you don't already have Power Apps open, this shows you how to locate it and open it directly. Once you're in Power Apps, you can select Build from the main navigation menu. At the bottom of the screen, select Create. This is where you locate the team you want to install Asset Booker into. Selecting the team triggers the creation of the environment that Asset Booker will run in. This step takes some time. You don't need to wait on the screen. Once the environment is ready, you'll receive an email confirmation. When you open the link from the email, it's strongly recommended to use the web version of Microsoft Teams rather than the desktop app. This avoids permission and loading issues during installation. Back in Power Apps, when you click Build, you should now see the team listed. Select it, dismiss the initial prompt if it appears, allow the page to load fully, and then choose to import your solution. Locate the solution file you've been provided with, follow the on-screen instructions, and then select Next to continue. At this stage, you'll be prompted to set up connection references. For each connection reference, select Sign In. You may be able to choose an existing account, or you may need to sign in again. Once signed in, the connection references will be created automatically. For the translator connection, you'll need to provide a connection name. You can technically enter anything here, but we recommend using Microsoft Translator to keep things clear and consistent. In the next step, for the environment variable, you can leave this blank. It will be populated automatically while the installation process runs. Next, select Import. Once the installation starts, you'll see a status indicator at the top of the screen. This can take several minutes. When the indicator turns green, the solution import has completed successfully. Next, navigate to Cloud Flows. Each required flow should be turned on. If a flow is off, use the three dots menu and switch it on. All the cloud flows should be enabled except the ASB Scheduler export flow. That one should remain turned off. Once the flows are configured, go to the Install settings. Within there, select Run. Click on Continue. At this stage, you'll need to assign the service account. As an admin, you'll then be asked for several configuration values. For the team URL, open the team menu, select the three dots, and copy the team link. Paste that link into the field provided. For the logo URL, this should be supplied separately. It is typically hosted on the web and referenced in the installation document. It's worth reiterating here that the installation guide on the website lists all the prerequisites in detail, including team setup and permissions. This walkthrough assumes those prerequisites have already been met. With these values set, click on Run Flow. When complete, you'll see a status of succeeded. Once installation is complete, navigate back to Apps. You'll see two apps, a desktop version and a mobile version. For each app, select the three dots and choose Add to Teams. In the Add to Teams panel, select Advanced Settings and add in the details. This information can be taken from the Digpax website. When complete, click on Add to Teams. Then open via the web app. Select the account. In the Asset Booker dialog, click on Add. Then, when prompted, select the channel within the team you installed the Asset Booker into. For example, in this case, it was the Asset Booker client demo channel. Select Save. You may see a red warning indicator. This can be ignored. And then repeat this process for both the desktop and mobile versions. Once both apps are added, open Asset Booker. Go to Admin Management, select the Settings cog at the top of the screen. Here you'll need to provide the desktop and mobile tab URLs. Right-click each tab in Teams, select Copy Link to Tab, and paste the link into the corresponding fields. Then click on Save. And that completes the installation. From here, Asset Booker is fully installed and configured. If you're installing this for the first time, it's strongly recommended to walk through the prerequisites and installation guide alongside this video so you understand both the why and the how of each step. Thanks for watching.